Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And yes, people, I told you we were going to make it through the Monday grind and everything is a-okay. All right, we got a couple of watch faces for you all to check out. They're fun watch faces. They're primarily for the work week. All right, with that being said, let's check it out. The name of the watch face is called Project 04 Squares. Of course, it's got that Windows theme to it that I don't mind, but it's going to give you everything that you need out of a watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a simple digital time. It's going to be dimmed down quite a bit, but you will be able to see it without a problem. Now, when the watch face is on, up at the top, you will get battery info. You come down, going to get the day of the week, your date. To the left, you will be able to get your heart rate information. Come down, you get a PM stamp that goes with your digital time. That's going to be in a 24-hour format, depending on how you have it set on your smartphone. Now, to the right, you will get animated seconds. Down at the bottom, you will get your step information and also floors climbed. And it is in active. So if I tap here, I can go into my step info. If I tap here, I can go into my calendar, set an event, and I can also go get my heart rate information. So to be free, this is not bad. You have everything all in one place. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice, simple, but straight to the point. The name of it is called RC1II. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a simple digital time. When the watch face is on, up at the top, you will get your battery info. Come down, you get stacked digital time, which is going to come in 12 and 24 hours, depending on the format that you have set on your smartphone. Now, flanked on both sides, you're going to get your step information to the left, and to the right, you will get the weather, and down at the bottom, you will get your date and the day of the week. Not a bad look for a simple, free watch face. But you will be able to tap on your weather, get your information that you're seeking. Not bad. Not bad at all. And if I tap here, I can get my step status info. There you go. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Is it a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.